Hey folks, we've been talking a lot of salmon lately, and so we thought it'd be a great idea to show you what we would fish for them. And so we came up with these salmon kits. You can get these online or in shop, or just snoop our boxes and see what we would fish. In these boxes, you get 9 flies and a nice box to carry them with. We've got a selection here that's sure to cover you for any situation that you're faced with, including we've got some bait fish patterns. When these fish come in fresh off the lake, they've been eating smelt and alewife and other big bait fish out in the lakes. They respond well to a bait fish pattern. You can even fish these out in the surf at river mouths if you want to try that as well. These work great swung or stripped or even nymphed. Then we've also got your classic egg-sucking leech in here. This is a can't miss anytime, especially in high dirty water. Holds a really nice profile and stands out, gets noticed. Moving down the line, we include a nice big, juicy, flashy stonefly pattern. Again, gets a nice aggressive response off those fish and gives you a great profile if the water's a little bit colored up. We've got a little flesh fly in here, and this is a little bit of a cheating one because it's not strictly a salmon fly. Salmon will eat these. It could be a small bait fish, but what also happens around the time of the salmon run is you do get salmon dying, and then some of the bits and pieces that are floating off those salmon as they do decompose on the riverbanks float down, and other fish like rainbow trout and brown trout actually eat those. So those can be a great way to get some of your early season brown trout and steelhead coming in. And then finally, we've got a nice little assortment of eggs and worm patterns here, and that's really going to be your bread and butter when you're nymphing for these fish. Nice thing, all of these flies are going to cross over very well into steelhead season as well. So don't think that you're getting this box and then it's going to sit in the closet for the rest of the year. You can fish these right through the year for steelhead, for brown trout as well, and you'll do great on them. So again, salmon kits, check them out in shop online. Grab yours now.